Hey guys, welcome back to Revolution XRC and welcome to this unboxing of the new Vanquish H10 Optic Kit. Now when the H10 Optic RTR was released, I was interested in it, but I didn't really want an RTR, so I decided to take a gamble and see if they would come out with a kit. And they finally did it. They came out with the kit. Now the cool thing that they did with this kit is this kit was released with one of 6 different liveries in the box, so it's kind of a gamble of which design you'll get. There's a Vanquish option, a Battleborn option, Throttle Therapy, Eibach, Huff Designs, and I'm not sure what the last one is. I think it's another Vanquish, maybe a Harley thing because it's orange, but anyway. So let's take a look at the box. Here's the front of the box, H10 Optic Kit, as you can see, and it's got the 6 different livery designs. Well, let's take a look at the bottom of the box. It's just more pictures of the liveries. Ah, here we go. This is where it shows the liveries. Okay, so they've got Sparko, Huff, Eibach, Throttle Therapy, Battleborn wheels, and I'm guessing the last one is Vanquish. And there's a chance of an exclusive variant right there. Chance to win an exclusive variant. So there is a mystery variant aside from the 6 on the box. So on the back of the box you see some of the features of the H10 Optic Kit. It comes with the VFD transmission with 6.5% overdrive. You can see here. It also comes with the new H10 axles. These H10 axles also have that scale looking hydraulic steering. They're not portal axles, they are straight axles though. Here is the drivetrain layout for the H10 Optic. So let's go ahead and open it up and see which variation I get. Oh, alright, it's yellow, and that means it's going to be the Battleborn livery, and that is exactly the livery I wanted in the first place. So really stoked. I don't think this is the orange one. I think this is the Battleborn livery. Let me check. But this is exactly what I was going for. So really stoked. Oh yeah, the Battleborn livery. Perfect. Most of my buggies are yellow colored, so this will fit just right in with my my buggy garage. So let's go ahead and take a look at what's inside the box. We've got the decals for the livery, as well as the instruction manual. We've got the body panels, and this is for the Battleborn livery. Alright, bag G, nicely packaged. We've got the front grille, part of the cage. Bag C, got the skid, some of the gears for the transmission, actually the transmission housing and everything. Two sides of the cage. This is really nicely packaged. Bag B, we've got the rear axle. Bag F with the links. Bag E with the drive shafts. Bag A with the front axle. And bag D with the shock parts. So overall, really nicely laid out, nice and organized. This goes underneath. And that is pretty much for this unboxing of the Vanquish H10 Optic Kit. Really nicely packaged kit. All the parts were nicely packaged in an orderly manner for the build. And I can't wait to get started on this H10 Optic Kit. So, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell for future updates on this Vanquish H10 Optic Kit. Thanks for watching.